everybody to another video. Thank you for tuning in. I'm with my girl Janice right now. We just got the goods. We are out here in Palmdale on our way to meet up with my boy Zach. You guys know I've been throwing his name around in the videos. You guys know when I say Zach, I'm talking about bags. So you guys know we're about to do that. We're about to knock it out this morning. It's pretty early today. Yeah, we ended up heading out here at like 7 o'clock. Can't wait to get this done. Hope you guys are super excited. I really cannot wait to do this. I can't wait to see what the car is gonna look like once it's finally on the floor. You guys know I have all of the aero around the car, so it should be laying pretty low on the floor. It's been a long time coming, so stay tuned. Look at this man's polishing his wheels on this beautiful Saturday morning.
At 7 a.m.
Shoot, I'd be doing that too if I had them nice 3-piece wheels. What up, man? I'm gonna pull it out because I know you gotta move your car too.
Yeah, I'm seeing like the bumper real quick.
Nah, you're chilling. You're good. Every time, man. Every time. This thing looks so good. Yeah. Go for it, bro. Ooh. You didn't have the steering wheel last time, huh? This shit's nice. I gotta cop me one. Love the red interior. Yeah, that shit's sick. Little crossbars in there. Brace bars, white now. Ooh. And you got the carbon lip now.
Yeah, but I already fucking put that a little bit right there.
Damn. It's like the only lip you can run, huh?
I want one of them bigger ones.
I'm tripping, bro, because right now when we lay that down, like, I don't know. We'll have to see. Yeah, we'll have to see. So Zach's gonna have me pull into his garage so we can install it then. So Bay's gonna move the car for me. Damn, car looks good. Should Bay get an F80 also or what? You look good in one of these, girl.
I want a white one.
White one?
Down below if you think Mark should get a white one. And my Crocs are in sport mode too, like the car.
Oh yeah, you gotta keep the Crocs in sport, keep the car in sport, everything in sport. Sheesh. What a savage. This fool doesn't even air up. Oh, okay. I was about to say, boy. Not with that carbon lip. Damn. Zach's car looks so sick, man. And you can see them lips from here. So we got to work with. Yes, sir. All right, you guys, so we already got the rears off.
You gonna get the carbon engine cover?
So we already took off the carbon brace. We already took off all the lining up top so you can get to it. Take off the struts, and then this is that sensor because I do have the dampening, the ability to change the dampening. So that EDC is gonna have to come off. So I'm not sure what we're gonna do about coating it, but we'll see later down the line. I know something's gonna pop up on the dash when we start the car, but whatever. Shee, boy, we got 2 white ones out here. Damn. Shee, I think he did spacers too now. Hell yeah. He got that fitment like Sam, boy. That's just fire. We got the boys out. We're gonna try and convince Freddie right now to get bags. Low key, he's gonna want bags now that I'm been getting bags. Zach's bag. You next, right? Nah. Freddie said he's got next.
He got next?
Yeah, he got next.
Did you place that order again?
Yeah.
He lying. You place that order again?
It's shipping right now.
Man, who got that fresh ass steak?
What's up, boy? Damn.
It's hot.
Yeah, it's really hot today, bro. A little bit tougher than we thought. Oh, it's all good. We got Freddie out here to help. So we ran into a little bit of an issue. Homeboy forgot to give me the end links for the front, and apparently the end links that come with the Airlift kit are a lot shorter than the stock ones. So instead of us breaking them on my way home because of the stress, we're just gonna go ahead and run them without. And then I'm gonna go ahead and order some shorter ones so that we have the right ones on the car. But thought we were gonna have to like just stop it completely, which is gonna be a kill, but we're gonna go ahead and finish it up. I'll just drive careful on the way home. Some more deadlift time.
Some protein shake.
Hi, sweet
It's only
girl.
$15 copay, you're good.
What's up, baby?
How's it going?
I'm about to jump right in bed.
Hey, I'm not on my white sheets. I'm going straight to the shower.
She gonna pre-wash, pre-hose,
Mm-hmm.
pre-hose me down before I even go in the house. So, Zach made me some boards so that we can hide and mount up the air tank. So, went ahead and we took out all the felt lining out of the car. Always running into little issues here and there, but we're almost there. Now we're tucking up the airline. Just passed it through. Side skirt right here. Got it coming out the front. Just making sure it's gonna be out of the way. And then we still gotta put the fender liners back too, so that'll hide everything too. Some more Velcro. Putting some Velcro because the only thing that's going to be showing is going to be this air tank.
We're gonna need this.
We about to see. Trying to diagnose what happened. It's not kicking on.
This or the
Just everything, yeah. If the controller doesn't turn on, it's not going to turn on at all. Yeah, baby!
Good job.
Got it.
Look how quiet it is, too. This compressor's underneath it,
Yeah,
too.
but
More when you put like the sides in.
Yeah.
Like right now, the noise can still escape. Like
Okay.
when you put those in, like it's pretty quiet.
Yeah, it's pretty quiet, huh? Compared to the
Compared
CB,
to- yeah. That
shit's
thing's
pretty
loud.
Yeah.
Woohoo! What's the time?
Hey,
5:29.
if we could have finished earlier though, if we would have had our supplies, it could have been drop both fronts.
We're gonna go ahead and drop this shit on the floor finally, and then we're gonna touch up the inside there.
Yeah, it's probably better to do it that way because I usually do it from like the front. And with his fucking diffuser, you can't.
Yeah, you can't reset it.
You can't get to the diffs.
Baby, move.
You're good.
Man, you got dog. Oh, dang.
Woo! That's the part that be scaring me, dog. Like you just be NASCAR. I remember when he had the Subi, I was like, bro, like take it easy, and he said, whoop.
Yeah, he'll tell me to like, oh, do, and I'm like, nope. That's like the part I won't do.
It gives me like the chills. I don't like it. Boom.
So there you have it. We're aired out all the way completely.
All that hassle for that? Just kidding.
Stock height.
Yeah, my stock height got
That's it.
Surprise! You guys, get from the front position. Oh.
Hold on. Just go all the way down. You're up. Oh, this is scary.
Look at him over there drooling. Come here. I'm gonna wipe the drool off your face.
Oh, thanks. Was I drooling too much?
A little bit.
What do you guys think? Oh my god. Look at the lip. That shit's on the floor. Like legit. That shit's on the floor. Damn, you guys, let's go. Hell yeah, we finally bagged. If you're looking to go bag straight with the stocks, again, I'm running 12mm in the front and a 15 in the rear, and I think it was the best option because if I were to have gone any further, she would be poking out nasty, and I probably wouldn't be able to have gone this low. We're slammed out, look at that. Now we matching out here with my boy. I'm super hyped, and look, you guys can see the differences with the hoods. What you guys think? I'm super hyped on this shit. I cannot wait to show everybody. Can't wait to be driving. I did set a really low ride height, so hopefully I don't break my lip any further for a while. Damn, this shit looks fat from the rear. Like this video, you guys. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Follow me on Instagram. Damn, shout out to my boy Freddie and my boy Zach, man. They came through on this. We've been working on this shit all day. We all got super dirty. Well, thank you, brother. Appreciate it, man. Shit looks sick. Thanks, bro.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, man.
Prop the one in the back.
Freaking killed it. We knocked it out. Finally done. Gonna head home, wash up. Got Freddie's car. Freddie next. Comment down below if you want Freddie to be bagged too. Now that we got so much experience now, let him know. Let him know. Follow him. I'm gonna put his Instagram down below, and I'm gonna put Zach's down below as well. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for tuning in. Yo, shout out to everybody who checked out this video and has been supporting the build. We finally did it. We are back, you guys. I'm super hyped. I'm just smiling while we're driving right now. Shout out to Babe for just hanging out, man. This took a little while. Hopefully you guys stay tuned for the next video. Follow me on Instagram, like I said. I appreciate everyone who is subscribed. But thanks, guys. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.